What's up, guys? Today I woke up at 9:03 and I was like, why not do a productive day in my life? So we're just gonna make this a day of my life, or a productive day of my life. Back to school videos is coming out for you guys. Like, they're coming out, but they're coming out real slowly. And I say that because my birthday is in 18 days. I want to make sure my birthday stuff is right. Before we get too deep into it, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, I'm Angie. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. On the road to 500 subscribers. Hopefully we can get to 500 subscribers. I'm growing real slow because I don't be consistent at all. And the back to school videos will make my channel grow.
Unknown caller.
I see all these people keep calling my phone. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm doing something. So hey y'all, I thought I was gonna be productive today, but y'all really can't be productive at all. So yeah, y'all, it is currently 2:54 in the afternoon and I just need to get up and clean up my room. Go ahead and do my laundry so I can get everything out the way, and I don't need to have that much to do for I know y'all probably like, girl, it's 27 days left to school. Okay, it don't matter. I need something to do in this video. I need to drop a video. My back to school series is not dropping. All my videos is not dropping until, like, I would say 2 to 3, 4 days. I'll say next week I'll start dropping the rest of my back to school videos, because I am waiting on my Shein packages, and then I'm gonna buy some more packages, and I'm waiting on Skims. So when all that stuff come in, y'all will get a back to school haul of everything. My school supply shopping, my birthday vlog, all that. Y'all will get all that. But right now I'm gonna go ahead and fold the rest of my clothes, which they're over here. And I need to wash my clothes, as well as put everything up in my closet, clean my room, sweep my floor, throw away them shoes that I do not want. Go ahead and do my Depop listing. And I know I said I wasn't gonna do Depop listing, but I might as well start my Depop listing.
I mean, where the fuck should I really even start? I got hoes that I'm keeping in the dark.
No camera, no. Okay, so I finished all my clothes. Right now I'm gonna go through this stuff up here, but I'm trying to debate if I want to go ahead and put some more clothes in the washing machine, since I'm already in the mood of folding them. I took my wig off. I'm gonna install it again in this video. If y'all didn't see my reel, make sure y'all go look at my reel that I did with my YouTube shorts. And yeah, I posted it and it's very cute. I'm gonna insert it in this video so y'all can see it.
Brand new. He's acting like they running, they really ran through. I spent that 500 before I ever trapped you. They thought I was gonna fall off. I hate to bring you bad news. Took so many racks, a bitch can't even see the floor. From Atlanta to LA, the only time I'm back and forth. She make you pay, rich, get you bought. Gave a Bentley to valet and let that try to bump. Let me pop off, leave the club, sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks out.
I really might tap this nigga on my face. Lil CC, let it slap with the babes. I used to save hoes with a mask in a cave. Now I'm like, nah, love, I'm good, go away. Ain't about to die with no money I done gave. I was on top when that sleep meant a lot. Still on top, like I'm scared of the drop. Still on top.
Hey y'all, so it's a little later on in the day. Excuse my AC, let me turn it off. It's summertime, because you know it's fine. I think that's what she said. So yeah, it's later on in the day. I was watching some Netflix. It's 6:33. I don't know when the last time I talked to y'all, but I already ate dinner. And I know I'm supposed to show y'all my meal and stuff like that, but I forgot. So y'all, my clothes in the dryer is done. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this load in the washing machine. Take my clothes out the dryer. And then I'm gonna start my Depop stuff. You feel me? I said I was gonna do in this video. It's just that everything is like pushed off. You feel me? I'm getting my stuff together for my emergency kit video. I have literally everything. I'm gonna install my wig today in this video and wake up in the morning and record that video, which means I gotta go ahead and push this video out, finish this video out today so I can start that video. So Depop is downloading and I'm about to go ahead and get my stuff out that dryer, put my clothes in the washer, stuff like that. So I'm gonna talk to y'all once I'm sick of them yelling. I'm gonna talk to y'all when I'm starting my Depop list. My camera's about to die, so I'll be back. So right now I'm gonna go ahead and post everything, and yeah, I'm freaking tired. Like, that was a lot going through this stuff. Everything is beautiful here. So yeah, what I'm about to do is go ahead and list everything. Y'all, I'm out of breath. I'm about to go ahead and list everything that I did, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start. Girl, I'm over here showing my messages. Yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start listing on Depop. So y'all, I just listed. Why am I like looking yellow? It's alright. So y'all, I just listed everything on Depop. Well, not everything. I think I got one more thing to list. 3 more things to list. And I think I'm gonna list the other two more. And then I'm gonna leave it like that and let it see. We'll see how we do. So y'all, I'm about to go ahead and install the wig. So y'all better watch me install this wig. And yeah. So y'all, I'm done with the install. It's cute. My camera is dying, so I didn't get to record for real. But I'm gonna let it charge a little bit, and then I'm gonna eat again. Make sure I record this time, but I'm about to get in the shower. But the hair is eating. Send me some wigs. Y'all companies need to send me some wigs, because I really eat down on the wigs. So yeah, y'all, I'm about to start editing these clips and videos, and I'm gonna come back to y'all when my camera is charged, cause it's blinking. Hey y'all, so my bestie bought me crumbl cookie, so I'm just waiting for it to get here and stuff like that. But I'm gonna get in the shower and stuff, and yeah, call it a night after I get my crumbl cookie. I'm just start editing this video and stuff. So that's what I'm about to do, and I'm gonna talk to y'all later. So I'm out the shower, and I'm about to just put on something and watch some TV and eat my crumbl cookie. My crumbl cookie is gonna be here at 10:07. So yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Okay, so I'm gonna try to talk over my AC, but I'm about to do that. What's that little TikTok? What I do with the Aquaphor something? But I might just put Aquaphor all over my face, so when I wake up in the morning, my face is clear. Not clear, but it is. So y'all, Aquaphor has been clearing my skin up so good. Like, right here, Aquaphor has been clearing my skin. It's been clearing my skin, right? So we're gonna try them for you guys on camera. I like the smell like this tonight. get in my bed and wait for my crumble cookie to get here. I gotta record my crumble. Bestie got me crumble cookie. I want to try this one. Anyways, hey y'all, my bestie got me crumble cookie. And this crumble cookie so good.
Have you ever seen a nigga do?
Y'all see how every time I start recording, he want to run his mouth?
Okay.
Every time I record, he want to run his mouth. Got me period cookies. This one the best one. And then it's that one. And then I don't want to taste that one because it looks too sweet. But I'm washing it down with water. It's good. Okay, y'all, so I'm gonna try the French toast cookie. It look okay. Okay, that one ain't good. It's the apple one and the Cookie Monster. Them two the best ones. I don't care.
The Cookie Monster.
Mm-hmm.
Look a bit all over.
Crumble cookie in Fayetteville. I'll give y'all
a fucking 5. You come try to darn with nigga, we get all 10s, nigga.
8 out of 10 because this week's cookies isn't all that. I wish I got. Whole time he gonna get some tomorrow.
Nigga from Durham, not from Baby.
Anyways, yeah, I'm gonna talk to y'all in a little bit because my bestie is on the phone and he be saying some out of pocket stuff. Say bye, bestie.
Tell him how you let that nigga eat your ass in the back.
Alright. Have a good morning, everyone. It is the next day and I'm ending the vlog off because I am editing it and I need an ending. I did not end my vlog off last night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my